Hello, boys and girls. Today we are talking about the letter C. The letter C is a curved line that has an opening on one side. The lowercase c looks just like the uppercase C. It's only smaller. So draw a letter C in the air with your finger. The letter C makes a sound k, 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 like car and cow. Repeat after me our letter C words in our Alpha Chant book. Car, cow, camel, cat. There go the cars. Cow's car is fast. Your turn. Camel's car is faster. Your turn. Cat's car is fastest. But Caterpillar wins. Look at Caterpillar. He looks very excited. Okay, now read it with me. There go the cars. Cow's car is fast. Camel's car is faster. Cat's car is fastest, but Caterpillar wins. Let's look at all of the C's in this poem. We have in our chant, not a poem, sorry, in our chant, we have a C here on cars, cow, car, camel, car, cat, car, caterpillar. And here on the back again it shows you with arrows how to draw your letter C. Alright, we're also going to play our game where we guess the letter C word. So I'm going to give you some clues and then you're going to guess what it is, okay? So I'll leave letter C there so we remember that we are looking for words that start with the letter C. The first one is something that if you have a bird as a pet, that's something that the bird lives in, inside your home or out on the patio, or any kind of pet really might have one of these to sleep in at night. If you said cage, you got it. Good job. Okay, this is something that you drink out of. Not a glass, but a k. Good. If you said cup, you got it. This is something that you would ride in to go to school or to the store or to practice, anywhere you might need to go. You could take the k. What do you think? Car? Good job. This is a hat, but we want to use the word that starts with the letter C. So I would call it my baseball cap. Yes. Oh, on my birthday, I like to eat my birthday. It's so yummy with icing. Good job, cake. My birthday cake. Oh, this is an animal that says meow. That was the easy one. Cat. Good job. Okay, this is something that you would maybe drink out of, or your vegetables come in it from the grocery store. If I drink out of it, it would probably be a soda of some sort, like a Coke or a Dr. Pepper. And it comes in a can. Good job. All right, our last one. So really get your thinking brain ready for this last one. This is a vegetable that starts with the letter C. It is orange, and rabbits really like it. A carrot. Good job. That was our letter C words. So today, in this lesson, you will be working on the letter C. You will be practicing drawing it and circling it and finding pictures that match it.